They lived yet like a bird. They were hungry and tired. They landed under banyan tree and began to eat cut grains. The were trapped in the hunter's net. The kingbird came up with an idea and told the others, "Let's fly up together, lifting the net." The hunter was surprised to see the birds flying along with his net. Finally, they reached a cave, soon a little mouse. The mouse politely said, "First, I will let you free with my sharp teeth." But the kingbird, "First, let my teeth free." The mouse nibbled the net and set the birds free. The mouse and flied happily to their nest.